So a while back, I decided that I wanted a chopper. So I bought some 6-inch fork extensions from TJ Brutal Customs, which, break the bike out pretty good. The problem is, I didn't really care for the front fender. So I swapped one out with a 07 Spirit. Close, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for. So today, I'm going to install the Blue Collar Bobber's front fender on my 2008 Honda Shadow Aero 750. As with all their parts, this is actually a really quality piece of kit. Now, there is a little bit of assembly and it does not come with instructions, but basically there's these two little U-straps that go on the inside of the fender. The brackets that attach it to the forks go on the inside of those, and there's a set of 4 bolts and some rubber washers that come in the package. Just bolt everything up. It's actually pretty straightforward. And if you can handle this, you can handle putting it on the bike. So let's go ahead, take her outside, and get her mounted up. To mount the Spirit fender on my Aero, I had to use the Aero bracket, and that does not look good at all. So using a 12mm wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the Aero bracket that holds the Spirit fender. So now with everything loose, we'll go ahead, we'll pick it up and shimmy it out of the forks and get it out of the way. And while it did work, it just looks ugly. I mean, I honestly was never really happy with it. And compared to the Blue Collar Bobber's fender, which I should have just bought in the first place, the bike is going to look a heck of a lot cleaner. Now the fenders did come with new bolts to attach them to the forks. They're 13mm and a bit shorter than factory, but since they were in the box, we're going to go ahead and use them. Alright, and there we have it. I gotta say, the bike looks a lot better with the Blue Collar Bobber's fender in the front. If you did notice, we did have the Blue Collar Bobbers in the rear. I'm also running their seat. They make excellent products made here in the USA. They are so proud of them, and they really seem like nice folks. So, if you guys like this video and are curious about the install maybe this rear fender, you can check out this video right now. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.